Hello camping enthusiasts, with handy gadgets on Amazon to make your outdoor adventures easier. We will review and give you a comprehensive look at the best products the camping market has to offer in 2024. Let's go.
A reliable cooking setup is essential for outdoor adventures. The Naturehike Mirage 2-burner camping stove is your culinary companion. Its dual burners let you cook up a storm, from sizzling steaks to steaming coffee, all while enjoying the great outdoors. Setting up and cleaning are a breeze, thanks to its foldable design and easy-to-clean parts. This portable powerhouse packs down to the size of a handbag, making it perfect for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor escapade. Built with durability in mind, the Mirage features rust and heat-resistant stainless steel burners and a sturdy frame. Its precise flame control ensures cooking perfection every time. Experience hassle-free outdoor cooking with the Naturehike Mirage. Upgrade your camping cuisine today. Find the Naturehike Mirage on Amazon. Meet Geekey, a powerful pocket tool with a lot of functionality in a compact 2.76" by 1.5" by 0.20" frame. Designed for easy portability, it can easily be attached to your keychain, pocket, purse, or bag. With a TSA-approved knife-free design, it's ready to go on any adventure. This multifunctional tool has impressive features such as bicycle spoke key, screwdriver, wrench, scoring tip, paper cutter, toothed edge, can opener, wire stripper, document, ruler, protractor, bottle opener, multi-head driver, and more. From opening bottles to tightening screws, cutting boxes, or repairing bicycles, Geekey has you covered. Made from durable 420 stainless steel and weighing only 0.77 ounces, the Geekey is both lightweight and durable. The unique key-shaped design doesn't add bulk to your keys, making it the ultimate compact utility item for both men and women. Whether you're tackling tasks at home, at work, or embarking on outdoor adventures, the Geekey is the perfect travel companion. Give the gift of endless possibilities to outdoor enthusiasts, tech-savvy people, or anyone who appreciates a handy tool. The Geekey Multitool, the perfect blend of form and function. Gather round, adventurers. The Ignik FireCan is your ticket to instant warmth and ambiance, no matter where your wanderlust takes you. This portable propane fire pit packs a powerful punch in a compact, rugged design, making it the perfect companion for camping trips, backyard gatherings, or even beach bonfires. Forget about hauling firewood or struggling to start a traditional fire. FireCan sets up in seconds, providing a clean, smokeless flame at the turn of a knob. Its mesh sides radiate heat efficiently, keeping you cozy while offering mesmerizing views of the dancing flames. Built to last, the FireCan features a durable, weather-resistant construction that can handle the rigors of outdoor use. Its compact size and convenient carrying handle make it easy to transport, ensuring you'll never have to leave the warmth and camaraderie of a campfire behind. Embrace the spontaneity of the Ignik FireCan and experience the joy of a campfire wherever your heart desires. Let the good times roll, from stargazing under the night sky to roasting marshmallows with loved ones. With the FireCan, the possibilities are endless. When you're out in the wilderness, quality sleep is key for a successful adventure. That's why we introduced the Sleepingo large sleeping pad for camping, your guarantee for a comfortable night's rest, no matter where you pitch your tent. This 2-inch thick sleeping pad delivers exceptional support and comfort, banishing the aches and pains caused by thin, inadequate pads. Perfect for backpacking and hiking, it's ultra-durable and accommodates all sleeping positions. Weighing in at a mere 14 ounces and packing down to the size of a slim water bottle, this portable camping pad is a breeze to carry. It slips effortlessly into any backpack without adding bulk and comes with a stylish storage pouch for added convenience. Constructed from tear-resistant, waterproof 20D ripstop nylon fabric, this robust pad can handle rugged terrain. And with its inflated dimensions of 74 inches by 22 inches, you'll have plenty of room to stretch out and relax, making your outdoor experience even more enjoyable. For adventurers seeking a rugged and dependable GPS device, the Garmin Montana 700i is the ideal choice. Its durable construction, Powerful navigation features and versatile connectivity options make it an essential tool for exploring the outdoors. The Montana 700i boasts a large 5-inch touchscreen display that's easy to read and operate, even in challenging conditions. Its rugged design, built to military standards, ensures it can withstand harsh environments, from scorching deserts to icy mountaintops. Multi-GNSS support, including GPS and Galileo, guarantees accurate positioning wherever your journey takes you. With preloaded topo-active maps, you'll have detailed terrain information at your fingertips, making route planning and navigation a breeze. Whether you're hiking, biking, or venturing off the beaten path, the Garmin Montana 700i is your trusted guide, providing the confidence and capabilities to navigate with ease. Forget about bland coffee. It's time to upgrade your coffee experience with the Stanley Pour-Over. With its stainless steel filter design, you can brew coffee like a pro at home. Easy to use, environmentally friendly, this is the smart solution for the perfect cup of coffee. The stainless steel design not only brings a luxurious look, but is also extremely durable. The stainless steel filter helps to extract the maximum aroma and delicate taste of coffee, which normal paper filters cannot do. Make delicious coffee at home, office, or even outdoors. The stainless steel filter funnel can be reused many times. Just wash it and you can brew another cup of coffee. No more filter paper, no more waste. Not only do you save money, but you also contribute to protecting the environment. Stanley has over 100 years of experience in making durable products, and the Stanley Pour-Over is no exception. This, the coffee maker that will be with you for life, with a genuine warranty from Stanley.
When facing the challenges of outdoor adventures or emergency situations, a dependable fire-starting tool can be a lifesaver. The Zippo Typhoon Match Kit is an essential companion for anyone venturing into unpredictable environments. Designed to withstand water, submersion, and rain, this kit provides a compact and durable storage solution for 15 Typhoon matches. The sealed strike pad protects against moisture, guaranteeing reliable match ignition even in adverse conditions. Its lightweight, reusable design makes it a valuable addition to any outdoor or emergency kit. The ability to float offers added convenience, ensuring your matches stay dry even if they end up in water. With an attachment point for easy access and extra pads for extended use, this kit prioritizes practicality and longevity. The Zippo Typhoon Match Kit, equipped with O-ring seals for enduring reliability, is the ideal choice for those who value preparedness in challenging situations. Elevate your fire-starting capabilities with this compact and water-resistant solution, and experience peace of mind knowing you have a reliable tool at your disposal.
Don't let bugs ruin your outdoor fun. Introducing the Tough Outdoors Mosquito Suit, our ultimate defense against pesky insects. Crafted for comfort and maximum protection, this lightweight and breathable jacket and pants set shields you from head to toe. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply enjoying nature, you can focus on the experience, not the bugs. The breathable polyester mesh keeps insects out while allowing airflow so you stay cool and comfortable. The fully zippered head cover offers easy access for snacks and drinks without having to remove the whole suit. Adjustable draw cords at the wrists, waist, and ankles ensure a snug, bug-proof fit. This roomy and unisex suit is perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. Stay protected and adventure-ready with this non-toxic mesh suit, no matter the season.
In emergency situations, starting a fire can save your life. The Surviveware Survival Fire Starter offers a powerful and reliable solution. Its ferro-magnesium rod is thicker than most, guaranteed to last up to 12,000 ignitions, so you can make a few mistakes without compromising functionality. This durability is important in emergencies when you need to save and conserve your supplies. Unlike other fire starters, the Surviveware Survival Fire Starter comes with a functioning emergency whistle that is more than just a decoration. It is large enough to attract attention when needed. The paracord handle is also a practical addition, providing a multitude of uses in survival situations, whether for first aid, camping, or hiking. The longer rod design ensures maximum spark with minimal effort, allowing you to quickly start a fire when time is of the essence. This fire starter is versatile. You can use it to light a camp stove, barbecue, fireplace, and more. It's a handy tool for emergencies and a fun way to teach kids about fire safety. Surviveware is a trusted name in the prepping and survival community, known for quality products and customer service. The company's commitment to preparedness and first aid ensures that their products meet high standards. This fire starter is part of Surviveware's mission to provide reliable tools when you need them most.
A comfortable and spacious seating solution is essential for outdoor activities, providing relaxation and convenience throughout the journey. Introducing the Dowinx Double Camping Chair, designed to provide superior comfort and functionality for outdoor enthusiasts. With a 40-inch wide seat and a 19-inch high backrest, this double folding chair ensures full shoulder support for complete relaxation. The adjustable armrests allow users to find their preferred position, while the thick and padded design provides a comfortable sofa-like experience. Compact and portable, this camping chair can be easily folded and stored in the carrying bag in seconds. Weighing only 12.8 pounds and measuring 37 inches by 11 inches in size, it is easy to carry and convenient for picnics, camping, fishing, beach trips, and sporting events. Perfect for cozy moments with loved ones, the double camping chair encourages close conversations and shared experiences. It also features a wine rack, large insulated cup holders, and mesh pockets for added convenience and storage. Constructed with a heavy-duty metal frame and durable 600D seat fabric, this camping chair can support up to 440 pounds, ensuring longevity and reliability for years to come. For travelers and adventurers always on the move, collapsible cups are a must-have. The UCO plastic collapsible camp cup is a game-changer, shrinking to half its size and featuring handy built-in volume measurements in both ounces and milliliters. Whether you're enjoying a steaming cup of coffee or a refreshing iced tea, these versatile camping cups handle beverages of any temperature, making them perfect for outdoor trips and travel. The ergonomic design features a comfortable handle with a built-in attachment hole for easy carrying on your backpack or mess kit using a carabiner. This 12-ounce collapsible cup boasts a flexible TPE base that neatly tucks into the rigid rim, maximizing packability. Made from phthalate-free and BPA-free materials, these cups are both dishwasher-safe and food-safe, ensuring durability and safety for all your adventures. Experience the convenience and practicality of the UCO plastic collapsible camp cup, your new go-to companion for camping and travel.